In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to your Big Cartel store, making it easier for your customers to find your social media presence. So let's dive right in to ensure your online and social profiles are seamlessly linked. To start, head over to your browser and type in the Big Cartel website URL. Once there, you will need to locate the login option. Typically, you should find a login button at the top right of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Now you will see a login screen appear, asking for your shop URL and password. Carefully type in your details. Ensure that there are no typos for a smooth sign-in experience. If you have trouble remembering your credentials, consider using a password manager to keep your details secure and easily accessible. Once your information is inputted, go ahead and click Login to access your Big Cartel dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your store activities and is the control center for managing your shop settings. Here, look for the account section and click on it. This will direct you to a page where you can manage various settings related to your account. Within this section, there should be an option to go to the Shop Designer. Upon entering the Shop Designer, the next thing you want to do is locate the space for social media links. This might require a little bit of scrolling, especially for first-time users, so take your time familiarizing yourself with the layout. Once you've located the section for social media links, go ahead and click on it. This is where you will insert your Instagram URL, linking directly to your profile. This step is key to integrating your social media with your store, allowing your presence to extend beyond just your Big Cartel shop. After you've made sure that your Instagram URL is correctly inserted, look for the Publish button. Click on Publish to ensure that all the changes you've made are saved and live on your Big Cartel shop. And there you have it, you've successfully connected Instagram to your Big Cartel store. This connection not only makes it easier for visitors to find your Instagram, but helps in building a cohesive brand presence